Chat. Chat. Here we go. 1 minute. Chat. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're live, guys. Welcome back to another live stream. A new day, a new opportunity. We got our black coffee on deck. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Some lovely coffee. Look at what we literally climbed up to, chat. We literally climbed up to all-time. Okay, wait, hold on. Chat, we literally climbed up to all-time highs. We literally climbed up to all-time highs. Then we dumped down, sadly. But that would have been almost my TP on my option. I'm wondering what my option play is doing. Like, I know there's time decay on a 3-day option like that, but what is the bias, guys? What is the bias? Well, I can tell you right now. Which is crazy how we climbed up to all-time highs like that. The fact that we climbed the all-time highs like that, dude, after that drop is like, oh, we're gonna rip up higher. But I'm bullish. We got that VWAP. Let's get rid of the VWAP. We got that fair value gap. We got the beautiful 4-hour. We dropped down to the 1 hour. You can see we did trade into it. Look at that reaction right there. We're bullish, chat. We are bullish, and I think we have a great day ahead of us. I'm excited to see where my option is at. I think I'm in profit. I should be in profit unless time decay is really killing me. What the heck? It says today's return negative 4K, but I only put in 4K. Hold on, no, it just hasn't updated. Oh, because that's at close. Okay, damn, yesterday I lost 4K, chat. At worst. But doesn't the chart look like a double top? Oh, what are you yapping about, bro? Double top. What are you yapping about, bro? You guys want to see? Okay, guys, I got a sneak peek of the vlog. So if you guys didn't know, I went to Vegas and all that. Did some crazy vlogging. Won't update till 9:30? Yeah, usually sometimes it does with some specific stocks. Chat. Chat. Bro. And then I'm telling you guys, then we got one of the podcasts that we shot with Rips. But we had a crazy day. Now we got a beautiful AM session with 930. I want to see 930 manipulate down to this level right here, guys. I want to see manipulation down to there. There was an FSMC graduate. Chad, did I graduate out of the generic guru? Full port longs? I'm pretty bullish. I'm pretty bullish, chat. There we go. Beautiful 930 right there. Chat, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful 930. Hold on. Let's look at ES. Wow, that's a beautiful 930. Hopefully we can bounce off of that, though. Hopefully we can bounce off of that. Those equal highs up there is definitely a target. Mid body reaction. We need to completely invert this fair value gap for us to get into, not fair value gap, this displacement for us to get into something here. Completely mid reaction. Yeah, no, I see that. I see it's rejecting off a 5-minute. It looks like it has lower prices. That's a shame, dude. If only that happened during AM session, I would have closed my option up. I would have made money. A lot of money there. But that doesn't mean that that still can't happen. We can still rally up higher. I'm not really going to anticipate, after giving us a body reaction like this, guys, in that daily fair value gap, us to turn down lower, especially in an all-time high. It's rare for us to be in a fair value gap alone, especially rolling over than bodying like that. So I'm pretty confident in longs. We just need to be patient, wait for the right time. I guess we got to wait for some 930 manipulation here. So maybe we can attack this low. It does look like bearish order flow so far right now. But again, we have a lot of reasons to continue down lower right now temporarily. But I am looking at these highs right here. There's equal highs here. Look at that, chat. That is a beautiful, beautiful buy side target. Minute open. Yeah, I forgot to mark that out today. Oh, beautiful. 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 Let's pull up ES. Look at that beautiful long that we had. Beautiful long. Beautiful long. All right. MES is also completely ripping down lower, but on terms of the hourly chart, it created equal highs again. So we have equal highs on ES and NQ. The chart just loves equal highs, dude. The chart just loves making equal highs. Look at this. They just love making equal highs. But I'm looking maybe at this inefficiency down here to get traded to again, and then we rally back up higher. But I do think that we're going to catch a nice trade here. We just need a little bit of 930 manipulation to the downside, and then we should be fine. PPI lows. Yeah, I want to see that 840 low there. But right now, it's just bouncing in between minute open, so we just need to chill. Nvidia's up 2.29% again, dude. Nvidia's actually like, Nvidia's about to rip, dude. Nvidia is crazy. Dude, Nvidia's actually flying, and it's got its earnings coming up. Wow. I want to see his top midnight open, reject to push lower. I mean, like, ideally, I want to see those lows getting taken, but we don't have to. But London session was clean. Yeah, but I like my sleep. Mate, please call your boss and make Apex 90% off again. Bro. Y'all are always like, oh, Apex is always 90% off, and then they stop doing the 90% off, and you were like, no, make them 90 again. We're gonna find a beautiful long, guys. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, John. Don't you worry, chat. See, Benny's got a signal for you. Get out! Wait 1 second. Let's lock in and find a beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's lock in and find a beautiful trade, chat. Patience, patience, patience. Let 930 manipulate. Let 930 manipulate, and then we're gonna find something. Good morning, Bang. Good morning, brother. Where did you learn how to trade? ICT Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. I live in Switzerland, no New York City time zone. Go for shorts? No. Narrative, brother. Narrative, narrative, narrative. On the lower time frame, yeah, it looks clean like shorts, right? Lower and intermediate time frame shorts, but the higher time frame is bullish, so we're not going against narrative. We're not going against narrative. We have to stay disciplined, guys. Beautiful singing, thank you. Bro, why do I keep getting... Oh, this real quick. There we go. All right. We took that low. We manipulated below that low. Beautiful. Maybe a turtle soup. Maybe a little soupy. Little soupy. Look at that stop loss size, bro. Look at that stop loss size. Like, that's a clean trade. Fuck. That's a clean trade, but in these markets, bro, that's a 68 pick stop loss. Ooh, little turtle soupy. No, maybe. We're in that 1 hour for value gap too, so that would be a beautiful turtle soup. Wait, chat, hold on, let's lock in here. Yeah, I would need to wait for that. Like, I would need to be taking this. I mean, that's not bad. 4RR. All right. I'll take it if we create an inversion here. Yeah, see it. Look, it's disrespecting the turtle. Looks like it has lower prices to reach too. I do think that we are going to rip up higher. So I love how we are manipulating a little bit lower here on NQ. We have a range here. Just to let you know, we have a range, and you can see we're not even in a discount yet. So there's no worry on a reversal. I don't think we're going to reverse. I think we're just retracing a little bit. I'd be pretty surprised if we reverse completely to the lows. I would be pretty surprised. I'm just happy to see some red candles. I'm happy to see some like normal 930 for the first time. Usually 930 is chopping. How was the game yesterday? It was actually a really good game, but we did lose. It was a really good game. Don't you child, see I'm gonna pray for you. Yo, Ollie, are you in here? That 30 recently been pumping, no manipulation. Well, I mean, looks like there's manipulation today. That suite looked nice. Yeah, it was a super cool suite. We got a booth, a suite in the game. Hit the like button, yes sir. Guys, we're gonna wait for some longs here. Patience. Such a huge SMT. Did your option get stopped out? No. Still my option. It's gonna go up to all-time highs today. It's gonna go up to all-time highs today, chat. Don't you worry, Sharon. See, Benny's got a trade for you. I need to do that. You're bad. Remember this name, Hamza. I will be there. I'll be here every stream. Let's go, brother. Guys, look at that. Maybe there's a 5-minute turtle. Maybe there's a 5-minute turtle. Bounce off consequent encroachment. We just need to see some little inversion here. Inversion play. I've learned so much from you. I knew we were going along today, and I have you to thank for that. Let's go. Guys, inversion. Create an inversion. Let's bang out a nice long here, chat. Let's get a nice long. Like, let's get a juicy long. Let's get a juicy long today. SMT with ES, Asia low. Nice. Inversion. Don't bounce off midnight open. Body above it. 35 seconds. Look at that. That's a nice trade right there. 3.27R to all-time highs. 930 manipulation. Turtle soup. Inversion fair value gap. Turn the volume down. Come on. 10 seconds to body above that fair value gap. 10 seconds. Patience. Yep. Let's go. Let's ride it, chat.
Order filled.
Let's ride the pony. Pause. What did I say? Why did I say that? Why did I say that, chat? All right, let's take this inversion. Bro. What the fuck? Oh, it scared me. I was like, where's that candle? No way that was just a gap. Really got baited by that inversion, but it'll react off of that fair value gap. There you go. Ooh, the markets are manipulated right now. Oh, as soon as I get into my entry, as soon as I get into my entry, the markets just start manipulating. Like, the markets were so clean, and then as soon as I get into my trade, it just starts going. That's how you know I'm a whale, chat. That's because I'm putting too many positions in. It's because I'm whaling in. I put in too many positions. I disrupt the markets, bro. Let's get rid of this inversion. That's a nice little fair value up there. Let's get the quadrants out on that. I'm still so confident in longs, guys. We're gonna get longs today. Such a huge SMT. Did my option get stopped out? No. I'm in my option. I'm actually in profit now. If it goes to all-time highs, guys, well, actually, because of time decay, it would have been better if it went to all-time highs yesterday. But if it does go to all-time highs today, I'll be up 5K live profits. 5K live profits. If it goes to all-time highs from here, I'll make money on the futures, and I'll also make money on my option. So that would be the most ideal case scenario, is price action hitting full TP today. Chat. Guys, who knows PB investing? I'm going to Detroit to see him. It's completely disrespecting that chat. Yeah. 30. It looked like a beautiful, maybe it's going to manipulate a little bit more. We'll have to catch a re-entry, guys. It looked like a beautiful power of 3, right? Accumulation, manipulation, last leg of manipulation, distribution. That's what we're going to go for. Oh God, turn the volume down. Completely disgusting entry.
Stop filled.
Yeah. We're going to have to wait for a re-entry. I think what's going to happen, chat, is it's going to take this low and it's going to turn back up again, and then we'll catch it again. So I'm thinking about partnering with PB Investing. Do you know who that is? Sorry, Ben. Helping girlfriend with work. I did not hear why you took the trade. Oh, so break up a minute open, total soup, inversion fair value gap, regular fair value gap. But clearly it was disgusting. Didn't want to react. It clearly still has bearish movement. Now I'm not bearish for the day, just temporarily for the 930 manipulation. So clearly it just waked up into this inefficiency and then continued down lower. But I'm still bullish, right, chat? Look at this daily fair value gap. Look at this daily fair value gap. And it created all those equal highs up there. So we're gonna wait. It looks like it wants to manipulate just a little bit more. Pretty valid, I know. It was a nice trade. It was just a systematic loss. Zayd, I think that's how losing works. Chat, Zayd. Zayd 9302. It's gotta be rage bait. Because if that's a hater, that's actually hilarious. He goes, damn, bro, you're trash. If I did the opposite, I would have made bread. I think that's how catching a losing trade works. Bro, that's funny. Okay, what are we looking here? Other reasons for it to reverse off of. Where can I learn options? I don't teach my options. I keep it to myself. Maybe in the future, but my options I keep private. Damn, it's really dumping. Like, dude, we have a crazy rally to the upside and then we just totally sell off. Like, look at that, dude. It's engineering equal highs again. Again, chat. Pretty crazy. Patience. We're gonna find a beautiful trade. We're let it rally down here, guys. It's still not even 950 macro. It's not even the 950 macro. No FOMO allowed. Okay, there's a new rule. There's no FOMO allowed until 10 a.m. or the 950 macro. Damn, look at this, chat. We really just ripped up. Okay, chat, look at this. We manipulated from all-time highs down 2.5% to then the next, literally in the same day, rip back up 2.43% to then in the next day, rip down 1.2%. This is like ultimate seek and destroy. We have that low that we could take. Damn, bro. Damn, that's actually wild. Never taking longs again in my career. You guys do have to understand though, in all-time highs, it's normal to have two negative days like this, right? But again, if you only long in this whole range, and let's say we have 1, 2, 3 negative days, and then it pushes up higher. Yeah, you took 3 losses there, but overall, you're winning all of this. But anyways, 930 manipulation was clearly bearish, so crazy reaction. But based off of from yesterday, guys, we're never too low to reverse. Let's look at ES. ES took that low. Looks like it's rebalancing a little bit here. We're in that 1 hour fair value gap. That's a primed fair value gap though, right there, chat. That is a beautiful inefficiency. And look at the reaction off Caught Square Crocher on that 1 minute. If we can turn up to this high, We might have a reversal on our hands. We may have a reversal on the hands. It's almost 950 macro. Look at that rally on ES though. Let's look at NQ, see if that's also doing it. Yep. Beautiful. SMT. Okay. We're not going to force into a long here on this inversion. We are going to wait a little bit. But we are starting to push up higher here, which is beautiful. Maybe 930 manipulations over here. If we continue down lower from that, then it's probably just going to be a sell profile. It's probably just going to be a sell profile if we continue lower from there. Patience. Crazy volatility right now, chat. Is it trading in the daily BISI? Yeah, it's still in the daily BISI right now. Still in the daily BISI, guys. Don't let go of those long biases yet. Don't let go of those long biases yet. We are wicking off of that 50% of the daily BISI. MES, is it pushing down lower again? No, it's actually still ripping up higher. Dude, look at ES right now, chat. Look at that. Look at that. Well, here, I'll get rid of this to show you guys a little bit cleaner. Okay, look at that, chat. Look at these equal highs as well. Okay, this is my narrative. Bounce in. Like that. We manipulate below this low as well. I think ES is kind of the play here. Just see. NQ is a little bit higher. ES has a beautiful inefficiency, but NQ is higher. We'll see. We need to invert these inefficiencies, and then I'll look for my longs. Yeah, did you see what Lumi posted on Twitter, bro? Did y'all see what Lumi replied to that bro? Lumi replied to a guy who posted a picture shirtless and said, if only I wasn't married. Bro, nah, that's actually wild. Who saw that? Who saw that? Chat, that was the most wild thing I think I've seen on Twitter. There we go. Look at that beautiful reaction to the upside there, chat. Look at that beautifulness. Look at that legitness, chat. I'm gonna quickly go live on TikTok. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Longs are looking primed. That 930 manipulation is looking beautiful. Wow. That 930 manipulation is looking beautiful, chat. Patience. Patience. We're going to get a beautiful trade here. Oh my gosh. Chat. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this 930 manipulation is. Oh my gosh. Live on YT, guys. Guys, how many viewers does it say I have? It says I have 400 on my studio. And then it says I have 900 on that. And then on this, it says I have 1,000. I don't know why it just doesn't work. But look, we're about to catch the most beautiful longs I think anyone has ever seen. 1K? Okay. That inversion? No, it's not. Okay. Guys, live on YT. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we got that lower 1 minute then. Let's see. Let's see, chat. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful 15-minute. Look at that 15-minute right there. Oh my gosh. Wow. Not getting in the long, obviously. Just waiting for it to turn back to this high, then we'll get into a long. If this is manipulation, chat, we can use this as standard deviation as well. And that will be beautiful. We can use that as standard deviation as well. Not yet. Not yet, chat. 2 minute. 2 minute could be respected. What's up, guys? I'm live on YT. All right. You don't think it's going down? Look at the downtrend. No, brother. Look at the daily fair value gap. Look at the all-time high market. Come on. That is back positive. Okay. There we go. Look at that 2 minute. Something like that would be nice. We're obviously going to all-time highs here. Like, that is a beautiful 930 manipulation. And then as soon as the macro hits, we start reversing back up higher. As soon as the macro hits, we start pushing up higher. Look at that 15th. Let's see what ES is doing here. Look at that turtle soup. Oh my gosh. And it's at 930. Chat. Have you guys seen any... Bro. The opportunities this market is giving is insane. It just needs to play out. 5 on YT, guys. Bro, no way it just doesn't rip us up higher here, chat. There's no way. There's no way, chat. Because, like, I'd be pretty pissed. Because this is a really clean 930 manipulation that we can see. This is a really clean 930 manipulation. I have no idea when Apex is going to be 90% off again. It'll be it soon, though. It'll be soon. Wow, Dodgy got cooked. Dodgy tried to long hard. Where did he try to long? Okay. Here. Or no, he tried to long here. No, here and here on the 15 second. Yeah. I think so. I don't know. But he said he got cooked. Trump's in China right now. Okay. Interesting. There we go. There's a little bit of speed there. Meta's reversing heavy to the upside. Okay. And my stock, my market is not loading. Look at that 2 minute right there, guys. Come on, give us some bullish reaction here. Look at that. If we can hit full TP on that 4.227R, oh, that would be so beautiful. It's not really breaking that trend yet. It's not breaking the trend yet. It's kind of rejecting that, you know? VWAP's right at midnight open too. VWAP's at midnight open, chat. Interesting. That's like a barrier. That's like a barrier, chat. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for confirmation. Live on YT, guys. So look at that beautiful. Okay, let's see ES. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. You don't see that often. You don't see that at 9:30 often. That is 9:30. That wick. Wow. Wow. Into an hourly inefficiency as well. That's why I'll be so shocked if we don't rip up higher. Like, yeah, we can move down a little bit lower right now. That's why I'm waiting to get into my position. But I will be pretty shocked if we don't rip up higher. Wow, that is beautiful, chat. Why don't you take it on ES? I don't know. I feel like NQs is just a little bit higher. But I could actually, yeah, I probably should take it on ES. Yeah, I definitely should take it on ES. All right, you can break above this high quickly for a little entry here. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow. ES is in a 15 minute. I just want to see it start pushing up higher a little bit. If it can continue up higher, like it just traded into a 15 minute. If it can continue up higher a little bit, that'll be nice. So we just got to wait just a little bit more for a little bit more confirmation, and then we'll be chilling. Big chilling. We'll be chilling. But by the way, guys, there are still spots to get your free 25K account completely free. Everyone in chat can get it. You just register for the cup, and then if you do well, you'll make money. Completely free, guys. Free to register. Just sign up, pick a date that still has spots. Put it in chat. This is normal. Wait to take Asia low. Brother, this is, bro, you don't see this every day, dude. You don't see a turtle soup like that every day. It's an hourly turtle soup as well, into the hourly inefficiency, taking that low. You don't, and with equal highs. You don't see that every day. That's like once in a blue moon, bro. Okay, we're still in that 15 minute though, chat. We're still in that 15 minute. But by the way, guys, if you guys don't know, the giveaway this week is going to be with Apex Trader Funding. It's 5 accounts. All you have to do is use code Ben and follow my IG. Patience, patience, patience. Also, if you guys want to join my free Discord, here you go. Look at that rally. Look at that rally. Let's see what MNQ's doing. MNQ's chopping right now. Yeah, ES is definitely the market to be trading in. ES is definitely the market to be trading in. It looks so beautiful, but there's no inefficiency. That's one thing I don't like. That's why I'm not going to engage yet. I have faith in this one. Yeah, this one does look pretty clean, guys. This one does look pretty clean. I'm not gonna just sit here and lie to you guys. That looks pretty clean. One second. Oil's pumping. Sheesh. Dude, beautiful. MES. Just look at that, dude. Look at that turtle soup. We just need a little bit of expansion, then we can engage into a long. Crazy chop. Temporary. It's only 5 minutes into 9. Look at, dude, Meta just reversed back up to 1%. It was negative 1%, now it's positive 1%. Nvidia's down though. It was up 2, now it's down to up 1.3%. Still doing good. So Nvidia, Meta, Apple, Google's up 1.3. Microsoft's down. But dude, the markets are starting to reverse up to the upside. So that's pretty good. I knew Alibaba's earnings were gonna rip, even though it's negative, dude. I knew that. I was actually thinking about doing an option on it. I ended up not doing it. Dude, that actually makes me mad. That would have been free money. There we go. A little bit of a rally up there. That's beautiful. One thing I've learned from you, Ben, is how patient you are. Thank you. Guys, we're live on YT. Patience is everything. I would love to see the trade report on a funded account to see how long it takes to get withdrawals following this channel. It all depends on your psychology, brother. Like, there's people that will copy every single one of my trades but won't get a payout because they are not cutting risk when I cut risk. When I say I'm trading different accounts, they don't get out of their main accounts. So, yeah. It all depends on you. Has anyone taken withdrawals in this channel? A bunch of people, bro. You can go to my Discord and go to the payout section and you'll see everybody that's in the community that's taking payouts. This guy got a live funds. Damn. 100K on the week? That's got to be cap. Yo, Ben, just joined the competition. What do I do? If you picked a date and join that, you'll get an email either now or close to the event. And then you'll get your 25K account. You log in and then you wait for the event and then start trading it. Zahid, if you place first, bro. If I was as patient as you, I would have been profitable 2 years ago. People underestimate how important it is to master yourself. 100%. What am I doing Tuesday next week? Probably trading. Why you ask me like that like you're a girl asking me out? Why do you want to know what I'm doing Tuesday next week? There we go. Not the cleanest, but we have a high that we can expand past and find an entry. It's really being stingy right now, guys. It's being stingy with wanting to look for a nice position, but NQ is like crazy chopping right now. It's reaccumulating. It's bouncing off this fair value gap again. We just need it to rally back up higher. Remember, we are in that daily inefficiency. On terms of ES, there's no daily inefficiency, but the gap. I'm pretty confident in longs here, guys. We just need to see an expansion. You're funny, bro. Chat, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. We're gonna have an amazing everything. The Ninja Trader tourney? I might do it. Yo, you love the 8:30 and 9:30 opens. Hey, Camelot. You're like always in my chest, like bouncing off the 8:30 open. You're a hater. I love you too, GamerX. Gotta rip up higher now. We just need one expansion to the upside, then we're gonna find a trade. Sad. Guys, this guy says, sad to see you change, bro. What do you mean see me change? I'm streaming. Oh, wait, he says, bro, you've low-key changed, Ben. You used to be humble, and now you flex everything. If I flexed everything, bro, you would know. I'm not flexing everything, bro. I went to Vegas once and made a vlog, and apparently, guys, I'm not humble anymore. They're like midnight open. I use them a lot. You streaming TikTok just on a back POV. I'm not actually like streaming the charts. Okay, look at this, guys. We need an expansion above these highs, and then we're cooking. You streaming on TikTok right now? I already read that. Shake the chart, Ben. Pause. Look at that. Look at that. We are in a 15-minute efficiency, but if we start pushing up into a premium of that, it's going to disrespect it with narrative. L, not humble. Guys, I'm not a real rancher. Who remembers that? Who remembers that? Show us the charts. If you want to see the charts, go to my YT, Benjamin_SMC. Switch up on my day ones, always. There we go, guys. Look at this. Let's see what MNQ's doing. All right, we're starting to push up just a little bit, but we need to break really above these highs. This is literally like a little Tory trade trend line thing. So, soybean meal futures. Taking along on soybean. Look at that turtle soup. Oh my gosh. Chat, who knew soybean futures would be going crazy? Like that 15-minute looks strong, but that turtle soup looks stronger. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean, chat? Dude, we're just lacking that expansion. It's 10, 11. It's chopping. It's reaccumulating. Just give it a second. Sure, we'll get a reversal shortly. ES is definitely the chart to be trading right now, though. ES is definitely the chart to be trading right now. That's for sure. That's for sure. But again, guys, don't make sure you are joining this competition. Everyone should be joining it. It's completely free. It's literally a free 25K account. You just sign up. It's Ninja Trader. Sign up with that link. Join the competition. Get your account. That's it. Simple as that. Well, ICT used to trade orange juice futures like that, bro. Like, I don't even know who sparked his interest to do that. Ads, lol, I'm good. Bro, literally just pay for YouTube Premium. Or get an ad blocker. Lol, he was so humble. Now he's flexing his car and watch. Yeah, I better be flexing that shit. I earned that shit. Guys, bro, this guy on my TikTok chat's hating on me because I'm flexing my car, which I've posted about it. Which I posted about, like, I think 2 times in my career. Do I bring out the bull? Did you get the Aventador? Yeah, I got the Bugatti. Bro, just take a trade already. I'm trying to copy your trade. Stop yapping. It's pissing me off. Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. Look at that beautiful expansion to the upside there. Lovely. Lovely. Finally, movement. I know. Let's see what it did on MNQ. Yep, movement on MNQ as well. ES is definitely the market to be trading right now, though. There we go. Can we get it? Can we not body down there, please? Can we body up here? Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Push up. Okay, I hoop. There we go. Beautiful. Let's get a little fair value gap here. Come on, come on, come on. That would be beautiful, chat. This little entry right here. Even something just like as simple as that. 2.3R, you know? All right. Limit order's in. Well, it's not in. It's mentally in. Mental limit order. We have this inversion as well. All right, I'll turn the volume down real quick. Don't want to blast your ears. Don't want to blast your ears, guys. All right, we're in that inefficiency. Let's go towards the open again, and then we're in. All right, it's a new 15-minute candle as well, which is beautiful doing that. Let's put towards the open, and we're in.
Order filled.
All right, last one of the AM session. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No playing a game, no playing around. We're gonna go for alls. We're gonna go for all-time highs here, bro. Those equal highs look primed. From that hourly manipulation, it's like from that 930 manipulation to the hourly, this looks primed. If we, obviously I'm not going for this full TP, like that 5RR. I'm gonna partial, and that'll be my full runner. Like my full runner's up there. But this is what I'm going for, chat. This will be the last position of the day. Most likely, maybe. I mean, unless we get something obvious. Been a tough couple days, though. Been a tough couple days. We've been just ripping so much in multiple directions, guys. So we do have to just make sure we stay disciplined. Let's get some Benjamins. Guys, do I make a shirt that says Benjamin gets Benjamins? We need to see some speed. We need to see some speed. NQ is also traded into its own little fair value gap that it formed here. This one right here. That one's beautiful. Let's break up a midnight open there. I'll draw a midnight open on ES as well. Midnight open on ES is right here. It's a lot higher. But you can see how it referenced it here. Look at that. Look at that midnight open reaction. Dumps off. I don't like how it's retesting this inefficiency again, chat. I did cut risk off of this, though. We have this order block, so I'm not going to close early. The order block down there. Look at that gap. Retesting this inefficiency again on NQ. The markets are turning ugly, dude. What's happening? Why is the volume just dying out? Always, brother. Hey, listen, at the end of the day, never put yourself in a position where if you lose, you'll be like, oh, I'm too far gone. You know what I mean? You always have to stay disciplined. Always put yourself in a position where if you lose the whole day, you're fine to walk away. All right? That is exactly what you have to do. Risk management is everything in trading, and psychology management. Like people don't talk about this, but emotional management as well. Like if we lose this trade, I'm completely fine. I can walk away easy like that. But if I lost like 2 more trades after this, then I'd tilt. So what I'm not going to do is take 2 more trades. It's that simple. Let's look at oil. Oil is pumping. Oil is pumping. Guys, the oil prices finally got good. I don't know about the States, but in Canada, the oil prices were finally getting good, and now they're kind of like getting skyrocketing again, bro. Like this chop is crazy, bro. It's like a mixture with our emotions. It's such a big chop. MNQ. Daily fair value gap just looks so strong, but that move does not look good. All right, let's get rid of this inefficiency. If it reacts to this volume balance, I'm going to close. Tough day today. It's so clean. It's such a clean 930 manipulation, but then it just dies out. Like look at that turtle soup right there, chat. And then it just dies out like that. You know? See that hourly turtle soup with that inefficiency, and then it just dies out. So it's a tough AM session. Hopefully this reacts off this volume bounce, pushes up higher. Hopefully it bodies past it, I mean. Do you feel like it's easier to walk away because you already made it in trading? Yeah, I mean, I guess so. That also helps. Like when you, here's the thing, when you have a lot more money, it's a lot easier. But it's also when you make it in trading, you're more confident in your system, which gives you more trust to walk away. It gives you more trust to be able to walk away. And when you have more trust in your system, walking away is a very simple factor. No, I mean, my trade, a little bit. Like my trade, I just use the built-in trade copier with Trade of 8. Nice reaction. It's playing with our emotions right now, though. There's no volume. I don't know why we're not ripping. We should be ripping at this point. These all-time high condition. Okay, so one thing about these all-time high conditions right now, guys, it's a little bit lower probability here than it was over here, because you can see that price action is re-referencing levels and it's not ripping up higher. So it's more of a consolidation condition. But again, I'm pretty confident in us at least re-referencing midnight open. I'll take my first partial drag to stop, break even at midnight open, because it could just tap midnight open then reverse. Like that happens often. Apex, I don't think it's 90% off. How I feel about full porting news? No, never full port, guys. On a real note, that never does anything good for you. It blows your account 90% of the time, but on top of that, it kills your psychology. There's no reason to be doing it. Guys, I'm live on YT. I don't have my funded futures code, no. Thank you, brother. So guys, just sit on your hands. It should respect order flow here. It's retesting that 15 minutes, so we should be good. All right, remember, we have that hourly on narrative behind us. Like that hourly narrative is super strong. Let's see what MNQ is doing. MNQ is ripping up higher as well, which is nice, but a re-reference minute opens. We'll pay attention to that. And you see oil's kind of slowing down here. Beautiful expansion that we're getting. Once NQ hits midnight open, guys. Once NQ hits midnight open. What? Why is it not? Wow, beautiful expansion. Look at that. We need to quickly drag out midnight open to see where it is. Yeah, okay, so once it hits midnight open, we're gonna drag to break even. NQ, whichever one hits midnight open first, NQ or ES, if it hits midnight open, we drag to break even. That is a rule. Like, that's a crucial rule, chat. All right? Broke VWAP with that too. Midnight open is my focus right now. If we can break midnight open, we got a beautiful trade on our hands. All right, we're about to hit midnight open. Break even is coming. Dragon to break even is coming. I actually really appreciate my rage baiters, and I'll tell you why. I'm able to walk away at things now because I just don't take everything serious. I was in Toronto the other day walking, and this guy just bumps into me. He looks like messed up in the head, like not messed up as in special needs, but like he'll do some dangerous stuff. Hold on, let's try to break even here. We're heading midnight open on NQ. All right, risk off. Risk off. He looks messed up in the head, chat, and he bumps into me purposely. He elbows me. We both turn around at the same time, and he checks to make sure if I'm saying anything because he probably wants to get in a fight. And I'm like, I look at him, I go, and I continue walking. I probably saved my life doing that. I'm not gonna lie. I probably saved my life doing that. And if it wasn't for rage baiters, I wouldn't have done that. I would have probably, yo, you have a problem? Look at this rip, baby. Let's go. Let's go, PAs. Guys, we hit full TP. Wait, how much R is this? 5, but I'm going to partial here, so. Realistically, I should partial. I'm not going to be able to get my payout on this trade. I will if I don't partial here and here, but I'm going to make the right decision in partial. I'm not dumb. Unless, I'm kidding. I'm going to partial. How much are we taking off at midnight open at this partial level here? Bad reaction. Bad reaction. It cannot body down below that. It cannot body down below midnight open like that. That is not good. Ugh. It all depends on this candle right here, chat. If this candle can retest back above midnight open, that's good. But if we body again under midnight, I'm going to have to partial. Pay close attention to what happens here. You got a lot more to lose than other people. No, I realize, like, bro, my whole family relies on me now. So I'm not going to go do some dumb shit. If someone wants to rage bait me on the street and try to bump into me and, like, and mess with me, I'm just going to giggle and continue walking. Like, my ego is not high enough to be able to just, like, try to be the bigger man in that situation. I'm just going to look at him and I'm like, all right, bro, you got it. And then continue walking. He had a backpack, too. I did not know what was in that backpack. Okay, now look at NQ ripping up higher and ES not. Come on, ES. Do a better job than that. NQ is breaking above midnight open, which is beautiful. We're not high enough for me to take a partial yet. Like, in my system, like, we haven't taken a high. You know what I mean? Like, there's no reason for me to partial yet. So hopefully it's not a break-even trade. Look at NQ retesting that high, though, there. That's beautiful. That is beautiful, chat. W in the chat. Everyone spam the like button. Guys, we're at 96 likes, guys. Everybody hit that like button. Let's get to 200 likes on the live stream. Let's go. Do we bank shorts this morning? We're banking longs right now. Banking longs on YT. Come on, it's just not good. It's just not good, chat. We need to be expanding here. But I'm not worried. Why am I not worried, guys? Look at what we are doing. We have 1 minute and 50 seconds. I will only be worried if we body down here because that's respecting this fair value gap. But if we can invert this 15 minute, look at this hourly. Look at that hourly, bro. Okay, that is why I'm not worried. That is 9:30 manipulation right there. That is at 9:30, souping that low train to hourly inefficiency. And then we rip up like that. We're going to all-time highs. Going to all-time highs. There we go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful candle right there, chat. Off that beautiful order block as well. Here, I'll put on my executions. Anyone in this trade? Type 1 if you're in this trade with me. I just explained what made me take long. 9:30 manipulation, turtle soup into a 1 hour fair value gap. Look at that. A lot of people are in this long. Look at NQ though, guys. That is not good. Look at NQ chopping at midnight. NQ's just chopping at midnight. That is not good. I don't like that. Markets are slowing down as well. We haven't made a lower low yet though. I have a video on turtle soup on my YT if you want to know what it is. Second chat. Just be patient. There we go. There we go. Patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Q4 means quarter four. The Jays game was crazy. We were down. It was 5-0 in the 6th inning. And then by the 7th inning, it was 5-5. That was crazy. In 1 inning. It was actually a really good game. And then it went to overtime. But then we lost in overtime. By 1 point. There we go. NQ's breaking above midnight. If we can get a body above that, that's going to be beautiful. Yeah, all right, Gamer X. Come on, we just need to break up here. There's my sell limit, my first partial there. Go hit the first partial, chat. Yeah, I want to travel the world soon. Soon I'll travel the world, chat. Come on, give us a better expansion than this, guys. Give us a better expansion than this. There we go. We're breaking up a midnight open. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Take out the bull. Guys, do we bring the bull out? I think we need the bull. We're in desperate need of the bull. Look at this chop here. Five-minute inefficiency there. 15-minute did body above consequent correction without fair value up though. Don't be a break even. Don't be a break even. Guys, do we take the bull? Guys, live on YT. What's the best eval discount right now? I would say traded by Ben, brother. LA Dodgers winning again? No. No, they're not. Nice reaction. Beautiful. Beautiful. First stage accumulation. I'd love to see NQ rip back up higher now. I would love to see us go back up to all-time highs here today. That would be beautiful, chat. The bull doesn't help. The bull helped yesterday. Patience, bro. Patience, patience, patience. Patience will pay you. Patience will pay you always. Look at that. Look at that expansion right there, chat. All right, what we want to see is a body above midnight open. A midnight open is my sell limit, but we want to see a body past it to continue this trade. Look at NQ ripping up higher. Look at that. Beautiful, chat. Beautiful. Thank you, Riley, for that ice cream cone, brother. Look at that. Woo! Rip, baby. Do we have a full TP on our hands today, guys? Do we have a full TP on our hands today? We might have a full TP on our hands today, chat. get an expansion here. Come on, go to my limit, guys. We just need to rip up a little bit higher here. We did body past midnight open, which is beautiful here. So we are basically confirmed for longs. Chat, be disciplined, be patient. Be patient. Be patient. By the way, guys, don't forget. Lucid. Okay, yo, guys, who saw Funded Next's new flex plan? Who saw Funded Next's new flex plan? Bro, look. I'll show you guys. Consistency, no consistency after passing, up to 90% rewards and 90% profit split. End of day drawdown, no daily loss limit. That's pretty sick. Guys, can we just break up a minute open, dude? Why is ES delaying like this? You're trading the flex plan right now? Nice. Funded Next, it's the firm right here on the banner. What is this Korean message? No, this is giving me this is giving me PTSD. Yeah, who remembers chat? Can you speak Chinese? Oh, it's Chinese. It's not Korean. Whoops. Sorry, guys. How much are you taking off the first limit? 7 contracts right here. But it's really rejecting, dude. It's rejecting. It's not wanting to look at that 5 minutes, retesting it. I don't like that. I don't like how it's respecting this 5 minute. We just need to hit midnight open on ES, dude. Hold on, chat. We're gonna be fine. That turtle soup is gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. I just hate that. I mean, we bodied above midnight open on NQ though. So it could be re-referencing it and then turning up again. Souping this low, trading into this inefficiency, and then turning up. A fake market structure shift. That's what we call it. We're bouncing in between two PDRs. Let's see. We got to react off that. No way we have a break even, bro. No codes for Funded Next. Yeah, the code is Ben. No, we're fine. It's a break even at worst, so I'm just gonna hold the trade. At worst, it's a break even. My life is fine. VWAP do something. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. That's it. Honestly, chat, this would be an unexpected reversal, especially with such a strong hourly. Like, that would be such an unexpected reversal. It's a beautiful fill. We should rip up higher though. We just have to be patient. Wait for this body candle reaction in 15 seconds. 15 seconds, chat. Beautiful. 5 seconds of body up here. Not a bad body reaction. It all depends on this candle though. This candle has a rip up higher. We're deeper into that 5 minute fair value gap. It's almost that 1050 macro. Who made me lost? Oh, no. Guys, 20, that's definitely rage bait, bro. We're in profit. How would I have lost that? Come on. Chat, y'all gotta do better than that. That's rage bait. Dude, no shot this turns into a break even. This was such a strong long. I'd be so surprised. I mean, like, look at NQ. NQ is the higher market now, which is surprising. But look at NQ. Look at that reaction right there. We're gonna rip up higher. Just hold your nuts, guys. Hold your nuts. All right. Hold your nuts. We need the bull. Bring the bull out. Okay. All right. Y'all asked for it. Here's the bull. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all asked for it. I'll do it. What do you mean GG's? Look what's happening. Y'all are so negative on the bull. He's on a win streak right now. Y'all so negative on the bull, bro. Chill on my boy. Patience. Patience. There we go. Look at that reaction right there, guys. Look at that reaction right there. Beautiful. Look at that. The bull's working. The bull is working, chat. You need to see how we trade? You can literally join my YouTube, brother. Join the YT. Benjamin _ SMC. Look at that, chat. Patience, 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 patience. Let it play. Now we can drag our stop loss to that low. We just need to rip up just a little bit higher here, and then we'll play that a game out. Look at that manipulation right there on NQ. Oh, I'm telling you, we're going to all-time highs today, chat. We're going to all-time highs today. We are going to all-time highs. Second. Come on, chat. Gotta get a beautiful reaction here. Too late to enter? Yeah, I would say it's too late to enter, bro. We're about to hit our first partial. PB Blake just entered longs on that version. Well, I guess it's not too late to enter if you want to take his signal, but my signal's down here, boy. Evie Blake, what are you doing? I caught it way earlier. Look at that. The bull helps. Do we bring the bull back out? Or is he still doing his job? Ain't nobody, bro. All right, TikTok, I'm ending the live here. If you want to see the rest of the stream, join up on YT. See you later, TikTok. Bring the bull. All right, bro. If you say so. Smash Gaming, thank you for the subscription. Let's go. It's time that we're not playing no more games now, guys. We need to rip up higher. Like this is a crazy chop, but it's a first stage accumulation, chat. Market maker buy model. Market maker buy model to all-time highs. Look at the equal all-time highs that we have. This is going to all-time highs, guys. That's why I'm holding this. I don't see this as going down. I really don't. I see this as going to all-time highs. Like if it goes down and stops at its break even, it's then going back up higher later. Like I see us at the end of the day up here. Like that hourly was too clean to be able to ignore that. And look at NQ too. Like, bro, SMT, bro, at least go to that hourly fair value gap, right? Just like it's slowing down. We have that 950 macro in a few minutes, though. We have that 950 macro in a few minutes. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. It's just accumulating. Don't close your position out in an accumulation. Don't close your position out in an accumulation. Patience is everything. Wait 1 second, chat. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Dude, it's back into that accumulation. Once we expand out of this accumulation, I'm thinking about dragging my stop loss here though and profit, but it's ignoring that fair value gap. That's the issue. We need to break above these highs. Once we can break above these highs, I can drag my stop loss there. But right now, it's just staying at break even. Right now, it's just staying at break even. I feel like that's the best outcome. We just need to wait, guys. We just need to wait. There we go. So PB Blake's in a long right now. He got into a long now, I guess. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Literally. Literally, brother. Literally. We're going to get an expansion. I'm really not worried. Like this consolidation, it wouldn't have rebalanced from that if it's going to sell off. Like it's just reaccumulating positions in the second stage accumulation and we're going to rip up higher. $15 seconds for this next candle close. We have that 1050 macro should deliver us to the upside. That should bring, so yeah, macro incoming 100%. We should get some volatility to the upside. We should hit my fill here. My limit, my 7 contract limit, sell limit on this macro. 2 seconds, boom. Open and rip up. Volatility right here. That's what we need. If we can break out during this macro, we're actually cooking. Wow. Very dead macro so far. Very interesting macro. Like, look at that 5 minute. It rebalanced into that inefficiency. Now it's turning up. Like, an expansion is so due for this. Rips down lower, but turns back up. Goes like that. Dude, I'm telling you, man. Like, I'd be pretty shocked if we don't rip up. I'd be pretty shocked if we don't rip up, especially in the next 10 minutes because of this macro. What's up, Bella? How's it going? I want to see a beautiful expansion here. Beautiful expansion. There we go. Come on. 1050 macro, deliver us to my fill. Have a blast trading. Thank you, Bella. Thank you. Come on. $950, 1051, guys. 1 minute into the macro. Or 1 minute into the macro. Everyone make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed yet, guys. Make sure to smack that subscribe button. There we go. Dude, chat, this is like the suspense. It's a suspense. We're waiting for it. This is suspense, chat. And Q's doing it. Is this it? Is this it, chat? Is this it? Beautiful. Sell limit, chat. Come on. It was the bull, guys. The bull's actually on a hot streak. Maybe we need to forgive the bull, dude. Look at NQ ripping up there. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. All right, sell limits getting approached here, chat. First partial coming up. We are actually up so much. We're up by 4K right now, 3.6K. Oh, no, wait. Wait, let me do the math. $1,000. How much is my fill here? I'll just do 1,200 times 10. Why am I doing that on a calculator? Why am I calculating 1,200 times 10 on a calculator, chat? Chat, I actually might be cut. All right, partial here.
Order filled.
Bang, 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 bang. Let's go. Winning day. W's. W. At worst, if we go all the way back down to my low here, at worst, we made 4K today. Look at that, chat. Oh, we're going to all-time highs, baby. Look at this. Look at that reversal that we had as well. Chat, this is beautiful. Where's 930? 930's up there. Oh, chat, this is beautiful. We need to go to all-time highs today, or else time decay is going to kill my option. Whoa. What? I'm confused. Oh, that scared me for a second. I thought my option, something went wrong with my option, but we're good. Guys, we're going to all-time highs. We're going to all-time highs. I'm telling you guys, we're going to smack all-time highs right now. I'm 20%, I'm 30%, 30% up on my option right now. Benjamin hit the Benjamin Netanyahu. Look at that reaction right there, chat. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, and we're breaking up a midnight open here. Oh, if we're breaking up a midnight open here on ES, we're actually cooking. Like, look how much higher we are. We consolidated at midnight and then we ripped up higher. Chat, we have a huge trade on our hands. We're not even halfway there. 5R, chat. 5R. W Benjamin SMC. Best AM stream in the world. The best AM stream in the world. Whoops. Let's go. Such a dub. Such a dub. There we go. Here's our trade, guys. Here's our trade. Here's what we got to hit next. Ooh, don't like that reaction off midnight open. Don't like that reaction on midnight open. We got to push up from that. We still got a ways to go, guys. We might not even do a post AM session stream on TikTok because of how good we're doing right now. Patience is everything, guys. Let it rally. Let it rally. Just chill. Sit on your hands. Don't force anything yet. Be patient. Good stuff, Benjamin. Probably good to close your option today, as tomorrow is tomorrow at close is option expiry. If we go to all-time highs here, I'm closing my option. If we go back to all-time highs, chat. How much? It'll be another 0.5%, so that'll be up to 2%. I'll make about like 5K. So hopefully we can go to all-time highs here. And then we'll hit full TP on this trade as well. Rebouncing into what, a 5-minute? More like a 3-minute. Rebouncing into a 3-minute inefficiency. It should respect that, turn up higher. If we can break above these equal highs, like one thing that's been holding us back recently on longing on both ES and NQ is when it creates equal highs. So if it can start creating these equal highs and then break past them, it shows that it clearly has higher draws and it's going to all-time highs. Like if we can rip up higher from this point, that would be actually really beautiful. Guys, don't forget to join my free Discord. I just need $40 to secure a winning day. Let's go. We should get an expansion here coming up. It's 11 a.m. in 30 seconds, guys. We should get an expansion at 11. Look at NQ, dude. This thing is actually flying. ES a little bit lower, but 11 should bring us an expansion in 20 seconds. Let's go, Pirate. Right here, chat. Rip, rip. 5 seconds. 11 a.m. got to expand us above midnight open here on ES. We're still at that point where we're not 100% sure for a full TP just because we're at midnight open on ES. Let's get an expansion here. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. Look at that, chat. Everybody like up that stream. Let's get to 200 likes on this. Type 1 if you took this trade. Who's still in this trade, I mean. Type 1 if you're still in this trade. Look at that. Woo! W in the chat, bro. Literally such a W. We're actually printing right now, guys. We are printing. Look, we're printing on my option as well, chat. Right now we're up 2K. Chat, look, we're up 2K right now, chat. Ignore the percentage. That's just from withdrawing. We're up 2K. 2.4K. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's keep expanding. Look. It's about to update live. It's about to update live. The option's about to update live. Look. Oh, wait. Why is it going down? Why is it going down? What? It's Enki's ripping. What are you talking about? Is it delayed or something? I don't know. W option though. It's literally the best job in the world. Literally, bro. Let's react off this inefficiency. Look, it's printing. Yo, I'm telling you, we're going to all-time highs. That 930 manipulation was the low of the week, chat. That was enough manipulation to feed families, bro. That was enough manipulation to feed families, chat. Absolutely pure price action. Off. Oh, keep ripping. Come on. Oh, we didn't just trade past midnight open. We formed a fair value gap at midnight open, traded into it, and then continue to push higher. Dude, this is like A+ across the board right now. Yo, I literally set up this is an insane trade right now. We are printing. Dude, you know what would do really good right now? If we get like a crazy expansion, just one crazy expansion. I would rather have it on NQ because I'm in a live option, but yes would be nice as well. Because they're both, it's on my PAs as well. Like I'm really cashing out today, chat. If this goes to all-time highs, I'm really cashing out today. I hope you guys know that. Like really cashing out. Dragging my stop loss? No. I mean, I could drag it there. Yeah. But that's the most I'm dragging it. After that, I'm just not touching anything. I don't need more than that. I'm happy with what I got. Dude, we're still printing. Oh, just like that, just like that, chat. Just from a little move, we made an extra $200 from our balance. Hold on, why is it not focusing? Just like that. We are now up $2,600 on our option, and we're not even at all-time highs yet. Let's go, yes. Let's go, yes. Right now, how much RR are we resting at? Bro, I knew we were going to print longs today. I actually knew it, chat. Right now, we're resting at 2.59R on this trade. We need more than that, though. We going for 5R. Sorry, I didn't see that. You can see the charts. Oh, beautiful trade. Come on. Don't break back below midnight open. Don't break back below midnight open. Give us an expansion. That macro really played out, chat. We still got 5 minutes in the macro. Still got 5 minutes in the macro. Can we Can we like, hold on. Let me clear up the charts a little bit here for this. Let me clear up the charts a little bit. Actually, there's nothing to clear. Look at that turtle soup right there. Oh my gosh. Look at that low. Look at that hourly fair value gap. Look at that reaction. That is going past all-time highs today. Chat, that is ripping. I'll be surprised if we don't go to all-time highs. I'll be surprised if we reverse after taking that high. I will be shocked. This is so clean to all-time highs, chat. Everybody smash that like button. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's lock in here. Let's lock in and secure these profits, chat. Let's secure this whole trade. Don't like that minute open reaction there. Don't like that minute open reaction. Really don't love that. Should be fine. We're just gonna hold it. We're just gonna hold it. Patience, 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 guys. Guys, I wish that who saw the AP Swatch collab, what they actually came out with. That's depressing. Just a temporary manipulation here. We're gonna get a rip back up higher. Don't worry. We have 11:10 coming. Thanks, Ben. Anytime, brother. Anytime. I know that collab's so bad. Oh, that's not a good reaction there. It's in that hourly fair value gap, chat. Look. Look, chat. That's not good. It's in the hourly fair value gap both on NQ and ES. We gotta print past this, dude. We have to. This is the last line of support for our entire trade. Those equal highs are sexy too. This is the last line of support for our entire trade, guys. There we go. There we go. Not a bad reaction there. You're out already? Nice. Yeah, we all learn from ICT, brother. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get a big expansion on NQ here. That would be very, very much appreciated. Like a nice, juicy expansion on NQ here would be so nice. I hate when I get Instagram DMs, guys. Am I muted? Ben, should we enter on the retrace to midnight? No. Don't. We're too late to enter into the trade, bro. We're back into premium now. I mean, if you want to take it on your own trading, but like, I'm not gonna promote that. I hate when I get Instagram DMs of people trying to pitch me something and then they text me after and like, bro, why are you ignoring me, bro? I was like, bro, you DM'd me saying fucking, hey, bro, do you want me to bring your clients to blah, 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 MRR? I was like, bro. And then they're mad that I'm ignoring them. I'm like, bro. I'm muted. No one's muted, guys. Chat. This is going to rip. This is going to rip. This is going to rip. This next candle, watch. Bang. Rip to the sky. Oh, it opens in that inefficiency. Right there on that 1 minute. Boom. Oh, that's not good. I don't like a failure swing in that hourly fair value gap. I mean, it's rolling over the hourly fair value gap on NQ, but on ES, it's not really breaking past it. That's not good. We really need to break past this hourly fair value gap, guys. Took partials? Yeah. Why does it not show my order? I took a partial. Why does it not show my partial? I took a partial, right, chat? Yeah, I did. Why is it not showing? I took a partial right here. What the heck? Wait, what the heck? Nah, that's actually weird. I took 7 off, right? Yeah. Where is it? That's weird. All right, we got to react off that inefficiency. We're bouncing at midnight open, guys. We need to expand past it like what NQ did. We need to expand past midnight open like what NQ did, chat. Chat, anyone still in this with me? We hold with patience, guys. Terrible 1 hour reaction, though. Terrible. But we hold with patience. Like, that is terrible. But we trust the narrative. We trust the narrative, chat. We trust the narrative, okay? How are you able to hold so long without taking profit? I did. It's just not showing. I took a partial right here. It's just not showing for some reason. But guys, we stay patient. We trust the process. We stay patient. Come on. It's going to rip up higher. I'm still so confident in longs here, guys. I'm still so confident in longs. Second. There we go. There we go. We need an expansion past this hourly fair value gap. Then we're good. Then we're good. Literally all we need is that. Right here. Right there. Boom. If we can get up to that level, that's guaranteed. Well, nothing's guaranteed, but you know what I mean. What am I trading this at NQ? No, I'm sorry, this is ES. ES, baby. Look at that. Look at that chat. Come on. We just need to break out of this level, guys. Once we break out of this level, we're chilling. Once we break out of this level, we're chilling, guys. ES has been so much cleaner recently, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Come on, break out of that high. Break out of the high. Give us an expansion out of that 1 hour fair value gap. There we go, chat. There we go. There we go. Do we bring the bull back out again? Because last time we were lacking volatility, the bull brought it. Bring it. Y'all are saying no, but the bull worked 2 times today, bro. Y'all are saying no because y'all don't trust it. But the bull worked 2 times today, bro. Look at what it's doing right now. Look at what it's doing right now. This guy, the G, bro. Look at that. Look at that movement we have. Off. Look at that reaction to that inversion. Off. Just break past this hourly fair value gap. That's all we need. Just a couple more bullish candles here and we're good, chat. A couple more bullish candles here and we're good. Expansion here. Come on, come on, come on. We're so due for one nice rally like this. It's just been a slow chop up to the upside. Like we need a nice rally. A nice rally would be beautiful. Recently, it's just been just chop, chop, chop. Like one big displacement will set us out, set the tone. I just want to hit this. This is my main TP. This is a runner, right? This is my main TP. If we can hit this, that basically secures like 4R on the trade, guys. So that is what I want mainly to hit. But we are trading above midnight open, which is nice. We just need to expand above this high. We have a new 5-minute coming up in a minute and a bit, so we'll see. We're just rejecting to break that high there. It's rejecting, like it's creating failure swing. We need an expansion here, guys. We need an expansion here past this high. I just don't like how it's hanging around so much, guys. We need to, one thing I'm paying attention to is when you're in an inefficiency like this, failure swings are kind of crucial. So when you see price action fail to take highs on both markets like this, very bad sign. But if you do get an expansion past this, creating an inversion and breaking that high, so if we go like that, then what's next is the next high, not this one, but we're going to our partial, right? You're going to see NQ pushing up towards 29,400 level. So that's why I want to see price action right now not do this. I want to see it rip up higher because right now is more crucial than ever before, other than this inefficiency and over here, to break past this level, because this is the last line of support for bearishness. In the entire day with the rest of the daily range, this is the last line of support for bearishness. Look, out of this entire range that we've had for this day, this hourly fair value gap is the last line of support. After that, we have these highs. We have the all-time highs. And if we can break past it, then we're good. Like ES is starting to push up higher. I really want to see NQ start to push up higher too, though. Like we need a displacement. You see how it's like lacking a little bit? We need a little bit more girth to these bodies. There we go. It can't reject. It has to displace past this high, dude. It has to displace past this high. There we go. Come on. Come on. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let's go. Good body reaction. All right. This candle needs to push up higher, and then we break out of this range. If this candle can push up higher, we break out. It could do it in this candle, guys. Wow. Dude, we just need one expansion here. Nice trade, Ben. Thank you, brother. Dude, but we need, it's going to all-time highs today, chat. It's going to all-time highs today. I'm telling you. Just stay disciplined. Stay patient on your trade. Apex is 90% off. Let's go! Go, Ben! $90% off, baby. Is it actually 90% off, chat? Before I post it on my story. Is it actually 90% off now? Yes. Dude, why can't we just get one expansion above these highs here, chat? One expansion. Like, I hate this consolidation NQ's in the hourly fair value gap. Same with ES. ES has just got to break out right here. We need one expansion, chat. The market is dying. Like, why can't we just get a low resistance liquidity run for the rest of the rally? Get us out in 5 minutes. I used your code recently. How do I enter the giveaway? Follow the Instagram and use code BET on Apex, and you're going to be able to enter. But the giveaway's for Friday. Chat, this is beautiful. This is such a beautiful turtle soup. Why are we rejecting? Why are we rejecting this high, dude? No, do not form equal highs. Why are we rejecting that, chat? That is not good. That is not good. Why are we rejecting those equal highs? Dude. Bro, call Apex to get South African traders off restriction list. Bro, I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. Like, what? I'm an affiliate. I don't work for Apex. I'm not going to call my affiliate manager and tell them to go tell the CEO to change their rules. Lock in, bro. 1 hour to flip this. I know we need the 1 hour to flip the fair value gap, bro. I like those equal highs are dangerous right now, chat. We just need expansion out of here, bro. I mean, we're above midnight open, but it's forming equal highs here. That's not good. I mean, it could take these equal lows, trade into this inefficiency, then turn up, but I might also just leave this trade on and just walk away. Like, that's not a good reaction on that 1 hour, guys. That is not good at all. Like, that could be detrimental to the entire trade. We gotta break past that 1 hour. We have to, chat. Top 1 futures, they're okay. Not a bad recovery there. Not a bad recovery there, chat. Okay. Do we break out of it here, chat? Do we break out of it here? That's not good. That is not good, chat. That hourly reaction is terrible. Terrible. That is a really bad hourly reaction. That has to be, gotta bet on that being manipulation. It's failing to push below midnight open though. It's got to push above midnight. I mean, it's got to stay above midnight open. It's got like those equal highs, dude, man. Like we got to break out of those equal highs. We got to rip up higher here. I mean, it still hasn't made any lower low really, so we should be fine. $40 seconds. Okay. Not shabby. Not shabby. Break out of those equal highs. Let's go. Not a shabby push up. It's almost 11:30 as well. 11:30 brings some volatility. We can potentially see that. Minute and 15 seconds for 11:30. Ugh. Ugh. Here we go. Break those equal highs. Do not form equal highs again. If this form equal highs again, I'm going to crash out. I'm actually going to crash out. Look at this turtle soup into that 1 minute fair value gap. Big market structure shift, push up. Break out of these equal highs, yes. I swore. I swore if you don't break out of these equal highs. I swore. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, chat. Why are we not breaking out of these equal highs? Like, how long is it going to take to break out of these equal highs? Maybe I need to turn around. Maybe I'll turn around. Bro. 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 Oh, it's all good, Ollie. I mean, it's rejecting off midnight, bro. I'm turning back around. Yeah, we're getting rage baited here, dude. We're actually getting rage baited here. These E's equal highs are so dead. Go and break. Break. Please. You got out? Okay, now pump. I'm kidding. It's 11:30 and we still not doing it, dude. We have a new 15-minute candle. Oh, that looks so bullish. Oh, we're ripping. We're ripping. That 15-minute candle looks so bullish. Reference minute open. Push up. Breakout. Dude, if this one doesn't break out of the equal highs, I don't even know what will. I won't even know what will. If this won't break out of equal highs, there we go. Finally. Now we push. Now we push. NQ go back out to the highs. Now we push, chat. Push. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go, chat. W, let's go. Look at that reaction right there. Give us a body above that. Give us a body above that, chat. I mean, it's bodying above that hourly fair value gap, which is good. NQ needs to do the same now. NQ needs to do the same. NQ needs to push up higher. 15-minute looks beautiful on ES. Oh, wow. Oh, chat. Yo, we're printing. We're going to print, dude. Oh, this is like such clean buys, bro. Why would anyone not be longing this today? Look at that 15-minute. If that breaks above that high, dude, I'm winning my option today. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. No renewal on the Apex 90% offs? Look at that reaction. Beautiful, chat. Chat, such a W. Oh my gosh, we're printing. We're printing. Look at NQ starting to push. Look at NQ starting to push. ES starting to push. We're going to go to our TP here. We're about to hit our TP, chat. About to hit TP. There we go. W's. Type 1 if you're still in this trade. I use your code for Apex and it's only 50%. It's 90% off now. It just started. W in the chat, bro. What a trade, man. Oh my gosh. And look at look. Look at this. Look at this 15-minute on NQ. Oh, wow, bro. We haven't seen a trade like this with 930 manipulation like that in months. We're so back. We're so back. Benjamin SMC's model is so back. Prime Ben, bro. October Ben is back if we can continue to get trades like this. That model, oh my gosh. Oh, NQ, keep printing. Oh, we're about to hit full TP too. And then we're about to leave a runner. Oh, we're actually printing right now, chat. We are actually printing. Every loss that we have had from yesterday is made back. Everything. It hits TP and we make more. Actually such a W day. W call out, W signal, W trading, W everything. And we got 90% off back on Apex. Dude, what a trade. What a trade. Wow. 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 I knew we were going back to all-time highs, baby. Oh my gosh. Look at that on NQ. Oh, we're gonna print. Oh, it's time to print. It's time to... Everybody hit that like button on this stream right now. I want to hear every single person. I want to get to 500 likes. We're at 200. What a trade, bro. Come on. All NQ has to do is break out of this. Look at that 15-minute NQ. Come on. That's all that has to happen. Oh, am I lagging, chat? Okay, analysis is fire. Thank you, brother. Oh. This salad button busting. You're eating a salad right now, bro. No, don't do that, NQ. Don't do that. Break out of these highs, NQ. No, 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 no. Don't play us like that. Don't rip up higher like that and then play us. ES, go to that high, go to full TP, and we're chilling. Guys, at worst, if it hits full TP, it's 4.3 AR. Oh my gosh. Chat. Chat. Full TP, let's go. Who's still in this? Who's still in this trade? How many likes are we at on the stream now? 221, let's go. Come on, I want NQ to rip because of my option. But I'd be happy with a full TP here on my PAs. I'll be super happy with that. Bruh. Oh, chat, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Bro, look at this trade right here. Chat, 20. This is gonna be 20 something K, bro. It's gonna be like a 22, 23K trade once we hit this 25 to 26 when we go to, if we go full TP all-time highs. Chat, look at this, man. All the people that left stream after my first trade missed out on this. Oh yeah, here's NQ ripping up too. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. All-time highs, baby. Come on. Such a W trade. And here we go. Let's go. TP, come on. No way it baits me like that. No way.
Order filled.
I'm definitely not risking that. Let's go. Why is there no execution limit? I don't know why, but we just took main TP partial there. Let's go. W in the chat. W in the chat right now, guys. W in the chat. Why is my execution just not loading, bro? Wait, let's reset the chart view. I want to see the executions. There we go. There we go. Look at this trade, chat. Oh, we're going to full TB with the runner as well. Dragging a stop loss back to midnight open here. Look at that. Chat, this is absolutely bread and butter, A++ right here. I haven't seen this in months. Look at NQ as well. My call option, bro. I'm printing today, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We are printing. Let's go, chat. What a trade. Oh, look at NQ. Oh my gosh. Look at this trade, dude. This is so sexy. We just took equal highs here. We got to be very careful with what's going to happen. We're going to drag our stop loss here. Stop and profit for our runner. Look at that 15-minute on NQ. This turtle soup was so beautiful. Come on, full TPS, chat. Full TPS. Full TPS. Like up that stream, chat. Don't reverse off those equal highs. Go to all-time highs. Don't mess around. No messing around. This is just a new 15-minute manipulation. Just a new 15-minute manipulation. That's all it is. Your patience is remarkable, man. I can't wait till I get this kind of patience. Let's go. Hey, brother, just keep showing up every day and you'll get that patience. Easy. Just let it play out. Let it play out here. It's going to print back up to the upside. Meta's up 1% as well. It's nice. Back to positive maybe. TQ, Nvidia's up almost 3%, dude. Wow. Nvidia's printing. Wow, 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 wow. The tech stocks are really printing right now. Praise God always, brother. Here we go. Retesting the highs again. Retesting the highs again, chat. Guys, just look at this. Look at what trade we have on our hands. Who is that guy who said it was shorts all the way at the bottom? Who's that? Who's that dude that was hating on me saying that I should be shorting? Ugh. What a trade, man. We deserved it. Waiting throughout that chop right there, dude. Let's just get lower this liquidity on the full TP though. No messing around here. We just took liquidity, guys. Let's go straight to all-time highs. Like this could be a potential reversal. So we need to just rip up higher. It's almost 1150 macro. Wait, what did he say? What did that guy say? Kung Virtuong. I went short on the SP 500. Hey, it happens. Just wait, guys. Just wait. 1 minute, 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds, chat, and we're gonna print. We need to get that 1110 macro. That 1110 macro magic. I'm fully out, Ben. Thanks for $600. Let's go. Damn, y'all still live, bro? We're still in the position. If it goes down here, we'll get stopped out, though. So hopefully it doesn't do that. We have a 5 minute to protect us, but that doesn't look like a good reaction. Why are you ignoring me? I'm not ignoring you, brother. Western PM, yeah. Look at this. We're gonna get rep to the upside here. No more playing the games, guys. It's gonna rep to the upside. I think I'm the only trader live streamer right now that caught this entire long. Dirty reaction off that high, guys. We got to get this 5 minute to respect it. This 5 minute has to respect it here. That's our support. That's our support line. That's our line of support for us. Thanks, Elite. You got hurt, kid. That's not a good reaction on NQ. NQ's been a lot more volatile to the downside, though. Not the greatest reaction here. We need to push up. We need to push up. We're bringing the bull back. We need the bull to help. Come on. Let's go. Bull, help us out here for the 4th time. I still think it's going to go to all-time highs. I just wouldn't hold past this. Just in case it doesn't, I don't want to throw away my profits. That's tough, guys. Hey, still a banger trade, guys. Still an absolute banger position. Still a banger trade.
Stop filled.
All right. We did not get the runner, but we did get full TP. 4.38R. Fellas, I'll see you at PM session. That's a wrap. That's a W. That is a wrap. I still think we're going to all-time highs, but I'm going to walk away, make some food, and do some stuff. So, fellas, let's finish in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. Please be with us, protect us, and forgive us our sins, and remind us that everything happens for a reason. Please give us the discipline to make the right decision. In Jesus Christ's holy, amazing name we pray. Amen. Fellas, God bless you all. I'll see you guys in the PM session. Stay safe. Watch all-time highs. W trade.